Pintas. Importante po yung bilintas, pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan. Bawal po yan sa loob ng laro.
At napakalapit lang ng Cebuana ng Media. Sa Cebuana, dahil kasado at mababa ang porsyento. Cebuana ng Media.
Haz cuenta.
Kaya bilis. Abot yan. Yan yan.
Okay. Ay, abot.
Ikaw, dito ka. Punta ka doon mamaya, ha? Abangan ka mamaya sa kwansa.
First five. Buzzer na naman. Okay, pangatlong buzzer na po. First five! Mga kapisa. Kaya nag-aapiran na rin sila. Kami na lang po talaga ang hindi na-aapiran. At nakakamaya. Yan. Drop ball. STL Pinball. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Banta. Back to number 6. Pass to number 25. 10 to shoot. Number 6. No good. Film spot. Referee number 25. Pass to number 11. Janelle. Take shot. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 21, binabala ang bola. Steal by number 35, steal by number 44, Angeles. Jump shot, no good. Kapit niya pa ang bola, nahuli number 21, pass to number 11, number 11, pass to number 6. Pass to number 15, Banta. Jump shot, no good. Only number 05, Berfolita. Foul, number 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound number 30, pass number 21, jump shot for 3 points. Number 21, Iglesias. Number 3, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 11, Jagger. No good. Second shot. Number 3, pass to number 25. Number 3, pinigay number 15, jump shot for 2 points. So number 15, Banta. Aldo, pass to number 21, Iglesias, back to number 32. Pass to number 05, Nordelita, Nerville, at ilang spot. Winning number 11, pass to number 6, pass to number 3. Number 3, bigay number 15, pero nakuha pa rin yung number 15 ng bola, pass to number 25. Pass to number 11, turn to shoot. Number 11, Johnner. Nakuha number 3 ang bola, jump shot for 3 points. Inbound number 02, pass to number 21. Number 21, binaba na ang bola.
Bola. Bola. Bola. Bola. Bola. Bola.
Oh. Lipkin.
Asawa ni Lipton.
Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 15. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 25, Junior. No good. Number 25 again. Pass to number 1. Outside. SPM team ball. Inbound, number 21. Pass to number 05. Mercolina dribble the ball. Back to number 21. Pass to number 17. Oh. Foul number 15. Banta. First personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound. Number 11. Pass to number 44. Angeles. No game of the respect. We go to number 6. Martinez. Still to number 11. Pass to number 21. Pass break to number for 2 points. Number 02. Number 6. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 15. Banta. Jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 11 ng SPM team. Ortega. Diniretso na. No good. Only number 15 ang bola. Pass to number 6. Martinez. Martinez. Bumalaksak. Pero binigay ng number 15. Jump shot. No good. Nagawa pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Banta. Pass to number 6. Number 6 Martinez. Sinea. No good. Number 25. Walang foul. Number 44. Angeles. First personal foul. First team foul. Loaded. That's one shot to punt round. No good again. Only number 44 ang bola. Pass to number 2. Aldo. Binaba na ang bola. Aldo, dribble the ball. Plan to shoot. Number 2. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin yung number 02 ang bola. Aldo, take shot. Oh. Foul. Number 25, foul.
Number 25. Third.
First personal foul, third team foul. Number 13, pass to number 11 for 3 points. Number 6, binaba na ang bola. Martinez, pass to number 11, Chanur. Chanur, dribble the ball. Sublaksak. Patapik ni number 05 ang bola. Nakuha ni number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 05. Pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Sublaksak. Tiniran. For 2! Inbound number 15, pass to number 6, pass to number 3. Sinira no good. Wali number 11 ang bola. Ito nga. For 3 points. So number 11. Number 02, Aldo, dribble the ball. Aldo, pass to number 21. Tell the shooter. Number 11, foul. Number 3. Substitution red. Ball stuck in. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound number 13. Pass to number 44. Angeles jump shot. For 3. Inbound, number 35, pass to number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 11. Back to number 6. Time to shoot. No period. 6 to shoot. It's cleared by number 72, Aldo. Pass back to number 05. Number 05, binigay ka number 11. Pass to number 21. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 2, dito ba ang bola? Magpili. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 2. Time to shoot. Offensive foul. By number 25. By around 3:17. Number 25, second personal foul. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Score 8-14 in favor of SCMT. Inbound, number 05, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 02. Number 02, pass to number 05. We get the number 44, jump shot for 2 points by number 41, Angela City. Number 6, Martinez. Ito ba ang bola? Pass to number 2, Martinez. 14! By number 2, number 21, Iglesia. Ito ba ang bola? Pass to number 02, Aldo. Turn to shoot. Jump shot to number 05, Green and no shoot. Oh, SCL team ball. Number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 17. Number 02, sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 44, Alex Morgan. Nakakuha ni number 26 sa bola. Pass to number 2, Magpili. Magpili. Eliminated, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 02, pass to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia, dribble the ball. Pass to number 05. Number 02, Aldo. Time to shoot. Number 02. 3 seconds. Violation. That's 1 minute. 1 minute. Kaping mainit. Kaping mainit. Number 6, Martinez, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 2, Martinez, jump shot. No good. Only number 3 is there, but number 31, Iglesia. Iglesia, dribble the ball. Iglesia, pass to number 44, Angeles. Pupuesto na sa 3. No good. Ang tilang is back. Number 6, the 30 seconds. Martinez. Oh, foul! Number 6. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Offensive. Offensive. Wala penalty. Number 44 inbound. Time to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot for 3 points by number 44, Angeles. That's 10 seconds. Number 26, Padilla. Pass to number 3. Conceded. Jump shot. Foul. Number 05, Mercolita. Mercolita. First personal foul. 1 point. Plus 2 shots to Paltrow. Again, left 1 shot to Paltrow. No good. The end of the first quarter.
Yard 7. Green. Yard 7.
Ano?
Oh, yeah, yard 7.
CY7.
Ayun na,
Oh,
green.
CY7. Ball possession. Number 2, McFeely. Pass to number 7. 19. 18. Aba. No good. Silang spot. Natin pala yun. Nakuha ni number 17. Ayun, nakuha ni number 2, McFeely ang bola. McFeely, dribble the ball. Pass to number 17. Oh, foul. Number 76. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound, number 17.
Number 17. Pass to number 19, taking to number 2.
Jump shot. McFeely. Inbound, number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 2, binababa na ang bola. Algo. Pass to number 21. Number 21, back to number 32. 10 to shoot. Jump shot to number 21, goes in. Nakuha ni number 02. Jump shot. No good. Number 06, pass to number 31. Jump pass. Number 03, no good again. Got him now. Number 18, pass to number 2, McFeely. Pass to number 17, delay up for 2 points. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 02, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 06, taking number 03. Follow the number 02 for 2 points. Number 19. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 02, McFeely takes shot. Pass to number 62, oh, foul. Number 06, second personal foul, second team foul. Inbound, number 17, pass to number 62, jump shot, no good. Only number 14 ang bola. Number 14, pass to number 06. Number 06, binaba ng bola. Fernandez. Pass to number 02, Algo. Number 21. 8 to shoot. Same ball. Same ball. Shot shot clock, 7 to shoot. Again, 7 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Inbound. Number 26, pass to number 19. Number 19, di depan ang bola. Number 19, pass to number 2. Number 2, first hit, no good. Only number 06 ng SCM team, pass to number 14. Robbery violation. CY 17 ball. Inbound, number 19, pass to number 2, back to number 19. Number 19, di depan ang bola. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, McPhilly. McPhilly, jump shot. Foul. Number 14. First personal foul, third team foul. It's just the buzzer. One point. That's one shot to Buzzrow. One point again.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
Remaining time of 6 minutes and 22 seconds. The score 22-21 in favor of CY17. Number 21, pass to number 02. Pass to number 03. Pineda for 2 points. Number 19. Pinababa na ang bola. Number 19, dribble the ball. Pass to number 26, Padilla, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ng SCM team ang bola. Pass to number 17, Aldo. Aldo, pass to number 03. Number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Number 19, pass to number 2, McPhilly. McPhilly. Pass to number 17. Pineda, no good. Rebound to number 02, Aldo, pass to number 13. Binigay to number 21, Kevin outside. CY17 ball. Inbound, number 26. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 62, back to number 26. Back to number 19, jump shot. No good. Only number 17, pass to number 19. Block. Number 62, back to number 17. No good. Rebound by number 02, pass break to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia. No good. Only number 2, bola McPhilly. Binaba na ang bola. McPhilly, dribble the ball. McPhilly. Pass to number 19. Kasim. Kasim. Number 2, McPhilly. 10 to shoot. Outside. Same ball.
Substitution, ref.
Remaining shot clock, 9 to shoot. Inbound number 52, pass to number 26, jump shot. No good. Rebound with number 03. Ayun, ako pa rin yung number 06 ang bola. Pass to number 13. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola ng CY17. Pass to number 2. Number 2, McPhilly. McPhilly, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola, Iglesia. Pass to number 06. Block to number 11. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to number 62. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Number 2, McPhilly. Pass to number 26. Sumayas, binigay ka number 11. Janelle! Nakuha pa rin ni Janelle ang bola. Tira for 3 points. Rebound. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 24-25. Lamang na po ang SCM team. Albert, dribble the ball. Albert, turn to shoot. Number 03. Still by number 26, pass to number 2. Martinez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 17, pass to number 26. Padilla, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 17 na bola. Pass to number 2. Number 2, Martinez, jump shot. No, foul. Shot clear. Technical. Technical number 13. Foul number 13, technical number 14. First personal foul, warning to penalty. One point, mula sa Tira Patro ni number 3, Magpili. That's one shot to Patro.
Ayun ang last shot. Hindi na-inform.
That's one shot to Patro. 1 point again. Mula sa Tira Patro ni number 3. Kapag na po lang isang puntos ang CY7. Number 32, Aldo. Ibaba na ang bola. Pass to number 21. Turn to shoot. Number 32, pass to number 44. Jump shot. No good. Save ball. Remaining shot clock. 3 to shoot. Shot clock. 3 to shoot. Still by number 15. Banta. Pass to number 2. Back to number 15. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia. Binaba na ang bola. Iglesia dribble the ball. Number 21, pass to number 44. Turn to shoot. Number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 62, pass to number 6. Number 6, binababa ang bola. Martinez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Back to number 6, pass to number 2. Martinez, binigay kay number 11. Channel. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jump shot ni Martinez, no good. Nakuha ni Jenner for 2 points. By number 11, Jenner. Inbound number 44, pass to number 32. Number 32, Aldo. Rebound the ball. Aldo. Foul. Number 15, Benta. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Excuse me po.
Number 32, pass to number 33, binigay kay number 44, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 62, pass to number 11, pass to number 6, pass to number 15, Banta. Banta, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 06 ng SCM team. Pass to number 02, pass break to number 44, number 44, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 15. Last 1 minute. Number 6, Martinez. No good. Only number 06 ang bola ng SCM team. Pass to number 02. Foul. Number 6. Foul. Ray 7. Number 6, Martinez, second. Personal foul. Second. Team foul. Remaining time was 50 minutes. 50 seconds. The score 30-27. in favor of Y7 team.
50 minutes, ang tagal nun. Sabi Siri, masama baka.
Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound. Number 44. Pass to number 02. Alta. Pass to number 06. Jump shot. No good. Move on to number 6. Foul. Number 06. Third personal foul. Penalty. One point. Mula sa tirang puzzle ni number 6. Martinez. Sana may short stop. One point again. Last 37 seconds. Number 06 Fernandez. Pass to number 05. Number 05 Marcolita pinigay kay number 02 Aldo. 10 to shoot. Sumalaksak para pinigay kay number 02 pinigay sa ilalim for 2 points. Last 16 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 2 Martinez. Jump shot. No good. The end of the second quarter. Half-time break na. Magbabalik agad ang Slam Dunk. Inbound number 05. Pass to number 02. Big shot. Jump shot. No good. Number 11. Foul. Foul 10. Who's foul rep? Number 11 again.
Taken. Ayan. Oh, taken.
Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution.
Up na.
One chance to bounce round. Oh. CY 17 ball. Inbound. Number 17. Pass to number 15. Back to number 17. Sabi. Number 11. Ito pa rin. Number 15, pass to number 3, pass to number 17, correct for 2 points.
Tumaba na si Tome.
Number 21, Iglesia, pass to number 05, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 3, pass to by number 17, Algio. Number 14, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 02, Pinera, no good. Number 3, ang bola, pass to number 2, Martinez, pass to number 17, binigay ka number 15, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola, number 11, oh, foul. Nasa delikadong fly high. Number 11,
Tatlo.
third personal foul, penalty. Hinahanap ko pa siya. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 11. That's 1 shot to Paltrow.
Yung gate po natin naman na ngayon, bagong pintura lang po yan, sir.
Sige na ba?
No good.
Tinitawan ko lang.
CY 17 daw.
Joke lang.
Sino basa guys?
Shoutout kay Joshua dyan, eh. Happy viewing sa'yo, ha? Tatawa ka.
Number 15, pass to number 6, Martinez. Back to number 15, back to number 6. Oh!
Dugo-dugo.
Alam ko lang. Ano ba nangyari nun? No speed. Wala eh. Hindi ko naman mag-English. Dito meron yan. Nose bleeding. Nag-English na kasi. Got na, got.
Okay, substitution. Inbound number 15, pass to number 6, pass to number 2. Jump shot! No good. Only number 0. Foul.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Second.
Second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time of 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Score 36-40 in favor of CY 17. Third, no good. That's 1 shot to Paltrow.
Butigi.
1 point mula sa Tinang Patrol.
Labang una.
Inbound number 17, pass to number 6. Number 6, Martinez. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 15. Banta. Binigay ka number 3, Johnson. No good. Rebound by number 11 ng SCM team. Pass to number 21. Number 03, Johnson. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 20. And number 15. Jump shot, no good. Same ball. Inbound. Number 3, pass to number 17. Pass to number 2. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 2, Alto. Pinera, no good. Rebound by number 31. Pass to number 02. Take shot. Oh, foul. Number 15. Banta. So personal foul. Penalty. No good. Last one shot to Patrol. 1 point mula sa Tinang Patrol ni number 30. Number 6 Martinez going down. Number 6, pass to number 2, back to number 6, back to number 15. Back to number 6, time to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 44, Angeles. Angeles, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 17, from back. Number 17, pass to number 3. Jump shot for 2 points by number 3. No. Now left, US people.
Substitution work. Substitution. Inbound. Number 11. Number 11 comes to number 6.
Pass to number 2, Martinez. Pass to number 3. Leading in number 11. Jenner, a shot. Pass to number 3 again. Pass to number 3. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 03. Pass to number 32. Alger. Alger. Clear for 2 points. Number 3. Binaba ang bola. Nagawin number 2. Last 1 minute. Nagawin na Jenner. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 2. Aljo. Aljo plays the ball. Jump shot. No good. Opening number 32 ang bola. Easy 2 points by number 30. Just 40 seconds.
42.
Number 11, Jenner. Nagawin number 6 ang bola, Martinez. Pass to number 17. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Opening number 6 ang bola, Martinez. Jump shot. No good. Outside. SCM team ball. Last 23 seconds.
Dapat tinuloy ko na yung
Last 15 seconds. Jump shot in number 21 for 2 points. For 2 points. 5 seconds. Number 11 for 2 points. The end of the 4th quarter. Milan, nasaan na ang rise in the back. Inbound, number 06, pass to number 21. Number 21, Bidabana Bola. Number 21, Iglesia, pass to number 11. Number 11, Foul. Number 26, Padilla. Padilla, second personal foul. Second, team foul. Still, pass to number 2. Outside. SPF. Number 21, Iglesia, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Number 11. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 17. Back to number 31, back to number 11. Pineda Ferrari for 2 points by number 11. Inbound number 6, pass to number 2, back to number 6. Back to number 2, Rapile, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 25, tries to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Sorry, number 11 ang bola ng SEM team. Number 11, tumalaksak. Black by number 45. Number 36, Padilla. Jump shot, no good. Number 11, Fidel. Outside, same ball. Ball. Inbound, number 26, pass to number 6. Still by number 17, Algo. Algo, jump shot, no good. Wala pa ni Algo ang bola. Number 17. Still by number 6, Martinez. Martinez, Milea for 2 points. Pass break in number 21. Number 21, pinasa number 32 for 2 points. By number 32, Algo. Number 2, Martinez, pass to number 6. Number 6, back to number 2. Time to shoot. Number 6, pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. Nahuli number 11 ang bola ng STM team. Number 11, foul. Number 6. Third personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 18 seconds. The score 48-54. Lamang pa rin po ang CY7 team. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ng number 11. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Give up a number 33. Drop. Save ball. Inbound. Number 11. Pass to number 03, Algo. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Napitawan ng bola. Number 25. Oh, still by number 17. Number 17. Pinasa sa ilalim by number 11. Number 11, pass to number 06, Fernandez, jump shot. For 3 points by number 06. Number 15, Berta. Binabala ang bola. Pass to number 2. Magpili, jump shot for 2 points. Magpili, tap in. Number 11. Binababa ang bola. Number 11, dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. It's still by number 25. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass break to number 2. Pass to number still by number 11. It's still number 11. CY17. Pass to number 26. Padilla. For 2 points. Number 21, pass to number 06. Number 06, back to number 21. Number 21, Iglesias, moving the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 10 to shoot. Pass to number 11. Foul! Number 26, Padilla. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
One point. Wala sa tirang Paltero. That's one shot to Paltero.
One point.
That's one shot to Paltero. No good. CY17 ball. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 15. Number 15, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 11, Janelle. Take check. Bitawan ng bola. Same ball. Remaining shot clock, 11 to shoot. Same ball. Again, 11 to shoot. Number 15, pass to number 11. Take shot, 5 to shoot. Hindi na nervous. Nakuha ng FCN team ball ang bola. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Number 21, Iglesia for 2 points. Inbound number 3, pass to number 2 back. Pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 2, Magpili. 10 to shoot. Magpili, dribble the ball. 5 to shoot. Junior, jump shot. No good. Only number 06 sa bola. Pass to number 06. Number 02. Pass to number 21. Iglesia, jump shot. To 3. Timeout, CY17. Remaining time is 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score. Inbound number 25. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, pinababa ng bola. Pinasa ka number 2, back to number 6. 10 to shoot. Martinez. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia dribble ball. Pass to number 32, 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot to number 31, no good. Only number 3, pass to number 2, Martinez. Foul. Number 21. First personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Number 6 Martinez, pass to number 2. And number 3. Last 25 seconds. 10 to shoot. SCN people. Remaining time last 19 seconds. All 58. Number 17. 10 seconds. Overtime. Additional. Number 05, Marcolita. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass break to number 2, Martina. For 2 points. Number 21, pass to number 30. Number 30, Alter. 10 to shoot. That's the number 44, 5 to shoot. Jump shot in number 05, no good. Nakuha pa rin ng SCN team foul, number 3.
Penalty na.
Penalty. Number 3, third personal foul, penalty.
Si number 2 na. Alam mo na. Grabe na alam. Ayaw.
1 point. That's 1 shot to Batra.
Overtime.
Alden. Inbound number 11, pass to number 3. Pass to number 7, number 21. Number 21 is the ball. Iglesia. Pass to number 05. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 03. Alden. 10 to shoot. Number 21, Iglesia. Jump shot. Nails it. Number 3, pass to number 17. Tomé. Segundo.
Tumaba na si Tomé.
Dati ba kaya?
Inbound number 6. Martinez. Pass to number 3. Number 3, back to number 6. Bigay number 17, Tomé. No kill. Rebound by number 35 for 3 points. Rebound number 41, pass to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia, three for the ball. Number 21. Pass to number 32, Aldo. Bigay number 44. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 35, pass to number 6. Martinez, Bilbao Umbrella. Martinez, pass to number 17, back to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 11, beginning number 17. Number 11, time to shoot. Pass to number 6, Martinez. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Pass breaking number 7, number 05, pass to number 21. Number 11, the CY17. Pass is there. To the outside. Save ball. CY17 ball.
Substitution, right? Substitution.
Timeout. CY17 team. Maraming salamat. Second. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound, number 6, Martinez, pass to number 15. Number 15, Balta, pass to number 6. Number 11, Chenner, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 35. Nice, still number 73, pass to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia. Jump shot for 2 points. Another overtime again. Number 15, Balta. Pass to number 2. Foul. Number 03. First personal foul. 13 foul. 13 foul. Inbound number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 6. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds. Number 6, pass to number 2. Martinez, jump shot. 2. Number 11, pass to number 21. Number 21 is Iglesia. Iglesia, pass to number 30, Aldo. Pass to number 11, back to number 32. Pass to number 21, Iglesia, jump shot. No good. Number 15, Ambola, pass to number 6. Pass to number 25. 14 points. Timeout, Estudiante. Ipapaalala ko po ulit both teams. Parehas na po kayong walang timeout. GY17. Barcelona mga kapisa. Okay. Inbound. Hindi po inom. Inbound number 03, pass to number 02. Time to shoot. Aldo, jump shot. Makuha ng foul. Plus 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 11, warning to foul out. Penalty. No good. That's one shot to counter out. One point. Wala sa pinagpas na rin number 30. Inbound number 25, pass na rin number 15, pass number 6. Martinez, back to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 3. Last 47 seconds. Number 6, Martinez. 5 to shoot. Liliot, that's it. Number 11, foul. Pushing foul. Number 06. Who's foul at? 06. Number 06, warning to foul out. Warning to penalty. 1 point. Mula sa Kieran Piper. Last one shot to Piper. Remaining time is 39 seconds. The score 63-68. 1 point again. 63-69. Number 32, Aldo. Jump shot. No good. We go to number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Pass to number 2, Martinez. 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 Pass to number 6. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jump shot. 2-3. And the winner is GY17. Player of the game, number 2. Player of the game, number 2, Magpiles.
Daddy! Daddy! Di! Paano yung time?
Cards? Wala na po ba ang cards?